everyone, welcome to Bits and Board. In this video, I am starting a new series to build logic gates on breadboard from scratch using diodes, transistors and resistors. We will start with the NOT gate, but before building actual circuit on the breadboard, we will discuss this diagram and understand how it works. As we know that NOT gate acts as an inverter. When input voltage is low or 0, the output voltage is high or 1. And when input is 1 or high, the output is 0 or low. Now, as you can see in this circuit, it contains two resistors, one of 10 kilo ohm and the second one of 1 kilo ohm and a transistor. First, we have to understand the working of a transistor to understand this circuit. As you can see in the top right corner, there is a diagram of NPN transistor. Let me show you an actual transistor. It is D-shaped and it has 3 legs. When placed such that the flat face is facing upward, then the first leg is collector, the second leg is base, and the third leg is emitter, the one with the arrow. In a circuit, transistor acts as a smart switch. When there is a voltage at the base, the transistor acts as a closed switch and allows current to flow through collector to the emitter. But there is no voltage at the base, then it acts as an open switch and obstructs the path of current and do not allow to flow current through this path. Let us understand whole circuit at once. This wire is base and this wire is emitter and this wire is collector. The base acts as input, the emitter is connected to the ground and the collector is connected to the 5-volt power supply, and also it is connected to the output wire. So when input is 0, there is no voltage at the base, so this transistor acts as an open switch. So this path is blocked, so the current from the 5-volt power supply flows through this resistor and flows to the output and gives output 1 when input is 0. But when input is 1, there is a voltage at the base and it acts as closed switch and it's allowed to flow current through this to the ground. And there is no current in the output wire, so the output is 0. This is the whole working of the NOT gate. Now let us build on the breadboard. Let's start building the actual circuit of the NOT gate. So we will first put the transistor such that its 3 legs are in 3 different rows. Then we will take 10 k ohm resistor and put into the base pin to the any other row. I have put the resistor from the base to the another row. Now I will put a jumper wire into the one end of the resistor and leave the other side floating. Now we will take 1 k ohm resistor and put one side into the collector pin and other side into this red line of 5 volt. So I have placed the second resistor. Now I will put a jumper wire into the collector pin and leave its one end floating. Now I will put another jumper wire into the emitter pin and other into the ground, blue power line, which is ground. Now our NOT gate circuit is complete. This white floating wire is our input wire and this orange floating wire is our output wire. Now let's connect a LED to visually check 1 or 0 signals from the output. Now I have connected the output line to the LED and then a 3.3 k ohm resistor to the ground to complete the circuit. Now let's test the circuit by giving 0 signal by connecting it to the blue rail and giving 1 signal to the input by connecting it to red rail. Now it's time to test our circuit. As we can see that our input wire, which is white one, is connected to the red power line, which is 5 volt, which means 1. Then our output is 0, the LED is off. But when we connect our wire to the blue rail, which means 0, our output is 1 and the LED is glowing. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will make AND gate.